Alright guys, let's check out the 67 Merc pickup that's back from blasting. Let's see what the hell's going on. On the 23rd of December, we are getting close to Christmas. So, there she is. Had some holes here, a couple pinholes here. Mike's welded them up, had some pinholes there, he's welded up. You can see it's all rusted in the pockets here. Now there's pieces right here on the ground, if you see them, like that, look at that. Those go up under here. That's what your cab, you know, goes up, sits up underneath there like so. So they're all rotten. So we got all those off. Cut the floors out that are rotten. It's all gone up inside the doorpost. Gone up inside the kick panels, but it's everything we expected. But you go from here and it is just absolutely beautiful. Rockers are good, cab corners are gone. Show me a truck where the cab corners aren't gone. Not a biggie. Not gonna be as bad as we thought. You know, this truck is funny. It looked like shit with the paint on it because everything's peeling off, but when you get it blasted, it's not that bad. Now don't get me wrong, this is not a quick job. This is still a lot of work. You know, you got to get all in here, everything. There's still a couple weeks here we'll be welding and fabricating and fixing things. But she's blasted. She's blasted and we're going to town on her. Again, like I said, if you're new, it's a 67 Merc crew cab long box. Apparently one of 6 ever made and documented. Mercury is Canadian made only. The owner of this truck thinks it might have been an old forestry truck. Not sure yet. He's still trying to do some more research and find out more about it. But he is right into these trucks. He's got like well, I shouldn't say barnfuls, but he's got a building full of them, plus a field full of them. He's right into these 67 and up Ford pickups. Now, if we head outside here, we'll see the frame. Oh, we're starting on the frame now. There's the frame. We've got the Chris is working away, he's getting the frame gutted, got the differential pulled out of it. Got all the front suspension taken out, kind of all laying around here on the ground, here and there, pieces of it. So gotta get the dry shaft out still, got a couple cross members to take out along there. Gotta get the leaf springs out. Then we'll send the frame down, get the frame all blasted. But it's looking pretty good. A little bit of rust up in here. You know, where your rad support is. This one's not so bad, but I guarantee when we blast it, there'll be some there. But that's usually typical on vehicles around the rad support. The frame itself is solid. What are the cab areas like? Well, I can see them blown away a bit. They are getting a little thin right there. That one's a bit thin. Here's your back one. That one's pretty solid. We're good. So get all this blasted, get it all cleaned up, get all the new parts ordered in for it, get everything we need for that, and then we can get the frame back together. Sean's working away on the box. There we go. There we go. Alright. So he's got all the, here, let me come around here. He's got all the inside of the box all done, and he's just working on the outside. Got all the inside done. Yeah, I think, actually, if I'm not mistaken, he's going to throw some paper over the sides here tonight, and he's going to get the inside primer. He's going to get that primer. Now, these are fenders. The owner actually went down to Montana and picked up outside fenders, these ones, and picked up inner fenders that were NOS from Ford. They still had the tags on them, right from the Ford dealership. Ford Mercury, same fenders, right? Just different emblems. So, we had one fender that we had done the bodywork on for them, and they had another one that was just garbage. But in the end, we're going to use these ones. We're going to use these NOS fenders. So, yeah, that's where it's going. There's that. A lot of work on this box, a lot of hours. Sean's probably going to, believe it or not, he's probably going to have like a good, he's got to be at 100 hours so far into this thing. I know you don't believe it, but it just is. Now I'm talking about, you know, you get all the welding done on it, then you got the body work and all that kind of stuff, right? I mean, you look at this, I don't care what you say, when you're doing this, this is all by hand in here. Machine, very little, but most of it's by hand. So that's what's happening there. So he's going to get some primer on there later. Alright. Chris got to get the kingpins. We got to get the kingpins out of here still. Some more parts laying over here. Coil springs, steering box, all that kind of shit. Laying around. All right. I'll tell him. Yeah. So that is what is happening with the Mercury pickup. Okay, so to all you guys out there, shoot you this quickly. Hey, Merry Christmas. Thanks for all of you subscribing. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you're going to drink and all that kind of stuff, you're going to party, have a good time doing it. Why not? Just don't drive. Don't drive. Don't think you can drive. Don't even try and drive. And don't let your friend who's been drinking drive either. Just get a ride with someone, call a cab, do what you got to do. Because I want to see you here next year. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to see you before next year. I'm going to for sure see you before next year because Boxing Day is Sunday. And Sunday is Fun Day, which is Model A Day. So I got to work on my Model A, don't I? I can't promise you there's going to be a Sunday Fun Day. I got family, got people down, having a good time. So I don't know, but I'll probably come out here. It's just what I am. I'm the car guy, right? We're going to be out here working tomorrow, Christmas Eve. We are going to be working away to probably 2 o'clock. I think 2 o'clock is the end of the day for us. And then we're going to pack it in. And I don't know. I don't know what else to say. We're calling for lots of snow here apparently. It's supposed to be snow starting here tomorrow, Friday. And Friday, Saturday snow. I think Sunday maybe a bit. Monday we're dropping down to like I've heard minus 14 or something. Minus 14. It's going to be cold all next week. So the snow is going to come. Then it's going to get cold. And then it's going to stick around for a while because everything's just going to freeze up like a son of a bitch. So we also know on my Sunday Fun Day I'm going to be pushing snow around because I can't let that stuff freeze up and get in the way of the shop. So I got to do that too. Luckily I'm out here in the farmland. I got a lot of neighbors with tractors and they usually just come over and do it for you. They don't even ask. They just show up and they're doing it. So that's a good thing with a good neighborhood. Good neighbors, good people. Anyway, again, I've said it once, I've said it twice. Merry Christmas to all you guys. Have a hell of a good time. And give me a fuck yeah, hell yeah. See you later.